Is there a difference between continue and pass in a for loop in Python? Is there any significant difference between the two Python keywords continue and pass like in the examples? And I should be aware of?
Yes, they do completely different things. Pass simply does nothing, while continue goes on with the next loop iteration. In your example, the difference would become apparent if you added another statement after the if. After executing pass, this further statement would be executed. After continue, it wouldn't.
Continue will jump back to the top of the loop. Pass will continue processing. If pass is at the end for the loop, the difference is negligible as the flow would just back to the top of the loop anyway.
Yes, there is a difference. Continue forces the loop to start at the next iteration, while pass means there is no code to execute here, and will continue through the remainder of the loop body. Run these and see the difference.
There is a difference between them. Continue skips the loop's current iteration and executes the next iteration. Pass does nothing. It's an empty statement placeholder. I would rather give you an example, which will clarify this more better.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and